Hi friends, how are you doing today? You're watching YouTube channel IELTS Coaching and I'm your IELTS expert Ramandeep Singh. Today's video is going to give you an experience of my live teaching in my institute, that is Your Bright Future in City Moga. I hope you are well aware that I'm running an institute in City Moga which is in Punjab और यहाँ पर Your Bright Future Institute जो बस स्टैंड के बिल्कुल साथ है, यहाँ पर मैं रेगुलर क्लासेस अटेंड करता हूँ एंड स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ज्वाइन माय इंस्टीट्यूट. अगर आप भी मोगा से ही हैं, I believe you are lucky and I'm lucky as well. You should visit and join. अगर आप हैं outsider, then I must say that यहाँ पर PG facility easily available है. बहुत सारे girls यहाँ पर boys जो outsider हैं वो यहाँ पर आते हैं, पीजी में स्टे करते हैं और मेरे साथ अपनी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. सो इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट योर IELTS ट्रेनिंग और लुकिंग फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट इन योर IELTS स्कोर, then I recommend you to join my institute, that is Your Bright Future in City Moga. Here I will help you in improvement of all the 4 modules, that is reading, writing, listening, speaking. हर एक चीज हम बहुत डिटेल में करते हैं, डिस्कशन के साथ करते हैं, टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स लर्न करते हैं और बहुत सारे आइडियाज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करता हूं. आज के इस वीडियो में आप एक्सपीरियंस कर पाएंगे माय लाइव क्लासेस. यहाँ पर हम कर रहे हैं लिसनिंग मॉड्यूल और वो भी डिस्कशन के साथ. मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट आपके साथ लिसनिंग के डिस्कशन करता है, स्पेशली एमसीक्यूज. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत परेशान करते हैं. यहाँ पर इस छोटे से सेशन में आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं that how my classroom is like and how I teach. And after watching this, if you decide to join, the number is flashing. WhatsApp कीजिए, inquire कीजिए, and you can join us for your improvement. Let's continue to watch this video. On the site work ਜਿਹੜੇ originally ਉੱਥੇ building ਸੀਗੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਕੀ ਸੀਗੇ ਨੇ, houses, industrial building ਜਾਂ shops, right?
Cafes and lounge areas. We have already purchased the site on which these new facilities will be constructed. We had initially planned to build on the site of the old industrial buildings. However, tests carried out on the soil and water showed that it was too highly contaminated with waste from the industrial processes. Instead, we have purchased the site just across the road, on which there used to be a lot of houses that were later converted into shops. These buildings will, of course, be demolished to make room for our new facilities. What is going to be built on this?
The answer is everyone. Yep. So B का भी नाम लेता हूँ. Why? B correct answer है. We thought of कि एक ही करांगे, but since वो area बहुत ही contaminated है, so the area where there used to be houses, shops की क्या है? Yep, that's it. Moving on to the next question. Firstly, the station intended to use the site as. Intended. We use in the essay as well. Intention की सी, सोच की सी. Firstly, पहला station दी जड़ी intended use की सी दा वो site the point of view देना. A leisure center, a car park, a launch.
The new site? I see you thinking to yourselves. There have been a lot of ideas put forward by all the parties involved. Initially, the station had planned to use the site as a car park. However, we decided this will be a very unsatisfactory way to occupy the space. Instead, we have hired an architect who has an exciting vision to transform the site into a large leisure centre complete with cafes, shops and a lounge where visitors can relax.
Now once again, they will use in their speech all the options to confuse you. ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ options ਸੁਣ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ answer ਲਗਾ ਲਓਗੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣ ਲਿਆ. It is not the answer. You have to figure out that पॉजिटिव टोन की दे रही होती. उन्हें लॉन्च भी यूज किया, उन्हें कार पार्क भी यूज किया, उन्हें लीजर सेंटर भी यूज किया, राइट? एंड द आंसर इज आंसर की है इस क्वेश्चन में. B is the correct answer, right? लीजर तो ऑब्वियसली लीजर सेंटर क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली प्लान यही ताइयों बनया होया बी कार पार्क क्या सीगा लेकिन then they had an architecture जो एक बेटर प्लान ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ of a leisure center उस leisure center ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ सब कुछ होएगा ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ launch ਵੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ so that's why he used option C but the correct answer is B. Finally the new building will be situated on the right side of किसी जगह ਦੇ right side ਤੇ ਹੋਏਗਾ the shopping district the apartment blocks the new formal gardens.
We hope that this new complex will attract many visitors, not just from the station, but also from the apartment blocks in the nearby town centre. As part of the construction works, we are also going to create new formal gardens, where visitors can enjoy the greenery and sit outside in the fresh air. The new leisure complex will be located to the right of the shopping district, so these formal gardens will serve as a meeting place for pedestrians.
And the answer is A. Sabda? Right. Formal gardens. We बनावांगे. Apartment block. इथे रहने वाले लोग इथे आ पाएंगे. These were unwanted. The right to the shopping district. That's the correct answer. Okay, that's it. Let's move on to the